Hello guys, it's Brenner here with another video. Today I'm going to be testing the autofocus on the Nikon Z50, but with a f-mount lens, in particular the 35mm 1.8 on the adapter, the FTC adapter. So this is me with good lighting, decent lighting, and I'm sitting down on a roller chair, desktop chair, and I'm just gonna move back and forth to see. Again, I'm using the app here, as you can see, because I cannot turn the screen to the side, and because I have it on a tripod, I cannot turn it down and see the whole thing. So this is pretty much my setup. I'm gonna proceed and move back and forth to see how it focuses. My settings are, let me just double check on my phone. I'm recording 4K 24 frames per second, f1.8, and I believe it's 200 ISO. So let's see. It's pretty cool. I literally can hear the lens from here as it moves. As I move closer and further away, I can hear the focusing ring, the motors inside. So that's another thing to think about. I don't know if you can hear it in the microphone. You probably will. But it does a pretty good job tracing me back and forth. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna disappear from the frame and come back and see how long it takes the camera to detect me. Okay. So I'm out of the frame. I'm into the frame. So it took a while for it to focus on my face. Let's try again. So it's pretty decent, pretty decent. So again, this is just a fast overview how fast this camera is focusing on video mode with a f-mount lens, and yeah, a cheap one by that matter, because that's another thing. You can get this lens for around, I don't know, pretty cheap. You can get it on eBay for, I mean, I bought this one from eBay used for around $60. So pretty cool. Another thing is that this is a 35mm DX, which means it's crop sensor. So you get those 35mm straight in the camera, because this is a crop sensor camera. So that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like if you like the video, and see you in the next one.